To enhance privacy on WhatsApp, you can lock the app with Face ID or Fingerprint on your iPhone device. So here is how to enable this feature. Before trying this feature, make sure that your software is up to date. So once you have checked your software, simply go to the WhatsApp on your home screen. So here you can see WhatsApp available. All you have to do is long press on the WhatsApp and a drop down menu will appear on your screen. So here on your screen you can see require Face ID option available there. Simply tap on it and confirm with require Face ID. If you are using iPhone older version, then you can obviously set it for iPhone fingerprint option, and once you open it you will be authenticated with Face ID or fingerprint according to your iPhone's version. So in order to do this, make sure that your iPhone is up to date. Only the latest software version of the iPhone can provide this feature. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.